Hello all, this is question number 8 from chapter 9D. We are looking at an altitude on BC on this triangle. What does that mean? Drawing a perpendicular line from the vertex A onto BC. So simply dropping a perpendicular line. If that happens, the angle at N is 90 degrees each on either side. And then it creates ANC and ANB, which are right angle triangles. If we assume CN to be the length x, because BC is 6 centimeters, it leaves 6 minus x centimeters for BN. Here basic application of Pythagoras, writing down AN squared, which is the square length of the altitude. If you've written both equations using two triangles, we can perform simple algebraic calculations here to find the value of x, which becomes 1. And then when you sub back that value in to one of these equations, I have picked the second one, you will get n as 2 root 6 centimeters. Hope that clears up, and yeah, if you need any more help or clarifications, please send those questions. I'll try to do my best with the screencasting and get back to you. Thank you.